こんにちは、エリカです。Hi, this is Erica and we're going to be studying for the JLPT exam. So we're going to do lesson 27 and start with grammar 1 of 2. So, もし何々ば This means if something something. So we just did もし何々たら. This has the same meaning as ば. So let's look at the sentence. 明日晴れたら行きます. So if it is fine tomorrow, I will go. If the weather is fine tomorrow, I will go. And たら has the same meaning as ば. 明日晴れれば行きます. This also means if it is fine tomorrow, I will go. So simple. They both have the same meaning. Let's look at another example. 文法 1-3, 1 of 3. First sentence, 勉強すれば JLPT に合格します. So if I study, I will pass JLPT. And 勉強しなければ JLPT に合格しません. So if I do not study, 勉強しません. Okay? 勉強しません means do not study. 勉強します is to study. So 勉強しなければJLPT に合格しません. If I do not study, I will not pass JLPT. Okay, so let's practice this form. Sorry. Let's go and look at 表 1-3. The next page, table 1 of 3. So here we have 3 groups of must form changed to if, ば 何々ば. So first group, let's look at 買います to buy becomes 買えば. 売ります to sell becomes 売れば. Okay, 話します to speak becomes 話せば. And 待ちます to wait becomes 待てば. And 聞きます to listen becomes 聞けば. So the E sound, we change it to E sound. Okay. Now let's look at group number 2. 忘れます to forget becomes 忘れれば. 覚えます to memorize becomes 覚えれば. 見ます to see becomes 見れば. So for group 2, ます make another slide. ます we just have to change this to れば. This is group 2. Now let's look at group number 3. 来ます to come becomes 来れば. します to do becomes すれば. So these two are special. 来ます becomes 来れば. します becomes すれば. So group 3 is special. Please memorize these two. And now let's look at E adjective, not adjective, and nouns. Just like tara, the ba form also can be used with E adjectives, not adjectives, and nouns. So first let's look at E adjective. 近い. This is close. 近い becomes 近ければ. And 少ない. This is a small amount or less. 少ない becomes 少なければ. Okay. We add ければ after e adjective. And let's look at な adjective. 便利な becomes 便利だったら. And 好きな. Okay. 好きな. This means you like. So 好きな becomes 好きだったら. Okay. We add だったら. Now let's look at the nouns. 嘘 means a lie. 嘘 becomes 嘘なら. And 友達 this means friend. This becomes 友達なら. Okay, so be careful. Nouns, for nouns, they become なら. Okay, not ば. They become なら. So please be careful. And let's look at some examples. How do we use these in sentences? 文法1の4, grammar 1 of 4. So let's try number 1. この道を通れば駅に着きます. If you pass this street, you will arrive at the station. So 通れば, this is a verb. Okay. 通れば, the original is, must form is 通ります. Okay, to go through or to pass. 通ります becomes 通れば because it's group number 1 of the verb. Number 2. 春になれば. Okay. 春 is a noun, but after that we have なれば. This is a verb. なります. なります to become. So when spring comes, this place will be filled with cherry blossoms. この辺りは桜でいっぱいになりますよ. So なります becomes なれば. Now let's look at number 3. 勉強したくなかったら. Okay, this has tara, what we did last lesson. したくなかったら. If you do not want to study, what should you do? どうすればいいですか? Okay, どうするbecomes どうすればいいですか? Number 4. たくさん休めばいいですよ. This is the answer to number 3. You should get a lot of rest. 休めば. So, rest is 休みます. 休みます turns to 休めば. Okay, the E sound turns to E. Number 5. 学生なら200円安くなると思う. If you are a student, I think you can get a 200 yen discount. So, 学生, this is a noun. So, again, nouns, we have to be careful because it is not ba, it turns to nara. 学生なら. We just have to add nara. If you are a student. Number 6. トマトが嫌いなら食べなくてもいいですよ. If you do not like tomatoes, you do not have to eat it. So, 嫌い, this is e adjective. Oh, I'm sorry, not adjective. Yes, so 嫌いなら. Okay, now let's go to the word section. 言葉2の2 words 2 of 2. Okay, so there is English on the bottom, but I will be pronouncing the words. So please try and say it with me. 晴れます。晴れれば. This is clear up. Next one. 曇ります。曇れば. This means to become cloudy. Next one. 引きます。引けば. This means to pull. Next one. 押します。押せば.